when it comes to home security, we trust a lot of companies to basically have our information, our data, and we know how important it is to be able to keep track of who's entering and exiting our homes, for security and safety reasons. With that in mind, we've actually started working with Eufy, who is part of Anchor, to check out some of their cooler items, and this is one such item. This video dual doorbell is a really cool item that you can basically install at your front door to give you the ability to see who's coming and going. It's a 2K full HD camera on there, so let's open up the box, see what's inside, and then we'll actually take it and we'll install it. You can check that out as well. So first things first, let's just pop that. Oh, it's a tight one. So this is a beautiful box. Oh, that's gorgeous. So this is their smart hub home, which you plug into your router. And this is the doorbell that you would install to your door. Now, it does have the ability to connect directly to terminal posts for your doorbell, so you can actually trickle charge it, so that's nice. And then inside the box, let's see what we have here. We have additional back plates to adjust your positioning, whether you want it to be angled or not. You have a cord here for your hub, as well as power for your hub, which is nice. And then, looks like we got just a little bit more in the box. Got some security stickers for your house, a quick start guide, a security key pin. I'm guessing that specifically is to remove some type of card or lock system. This appears to be a charger for the unit if you don't have it trickle charging. Then we have adapters for connectors for the wires. We have installation screws. And then we actually, so first things first, let's take this off. So again, this is a dual camera. So you have a camera here at the bottom, as well as a camera here and there, and there's this button for the pushing. You have a micro USB slot for the power. You have a sync button. And then I imagine that this so that locks on there to the base that you install. And the only way to get it off is to use the pin to unlock it. That's interesting. No specialty screws, no items to lose. I know there's a couple companies out there that use a specialty screw. The problem with the specialty screw, of course, is that if it falls when you're taking it out to basically charge it and you lose it, then you don't have that specialty screw anymore. So that is kind of cool that you can just basically push that pin in and then it will release the unit. Well, that's what you get inside the box. I also want to point out it does come with this little template so you can actually put that sticker on the wall and then drill the holes for the accessories. But now that we've checked out what's inside the box, let's actually install it. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. We'll put a link down below so you can basically find where you can buy that doorbell. And please like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.